my name is Gracie and I'm a new member to the art cast this year. This is what is in my rehearsal bag. Now this might take a while and I'm sorry for the noise, it's very busy today here at LaBelle Performing Arts. This is my company binder with all my stuff in it, so whatever dates, notes. I also have my resume in here. I never know I'm gonna need that, so that's very important. Next thing I have is our script for this first season. It is Wind in the Willows. I always have to keep this for my script because you never know when you're going to need it, especially if stuff changes or help your fellow cast members out sometimes. I also have my sketchbook in here, which has all my doodles in it in class, or also if I'm designing costumes or set pieces or any other ideas I have for company. I also have my colored pencils, which you never know if you're going to need. If I have to draw something colored in, or add just a little bit of color to it, some flavor. I also have my little notebook, my little Sunshine Makes Me Happy, that has all my notes for it for our different shows, so I can keep track of everything. Then I have my glasses case, because I never know if I'm going to take my glasses off for a certain scene, or if it just gets too hot. I also have a random can of hairspray in here, for you never know if your hair must go up in the bun to keep it still. Then I have my pencil pouch. It has all my pens, my highlighters, all my craft supplies, but you'll never know if you're going to need this or not. Next thing I have is my phone charger. Sometimes company can run over and your phone might go dead if you're not expecting it, so it's always good to keep this handy. One of my last things I have is my trusty handy earbuds. It might be a little loud sometimes in the studio if you're trying to run your lines, so some good music always helps focus sometimes. Next thing I have is my trusty candy, my lovely snack. You never know when we get our little short break if you ever might need a little snack. It's always sweet. I also have extra hair ties, because sometimes in company it might get a little rough during a certain scene, and your hair tie might unfortunately break. If you're me, that is me. Also, on our break sometimes, if you want to have a little fun, I have random deck of Uno cards. So I always have a good time to play games. And that is what is in my rehearsal bag. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!